Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can integrate Google Forms with Google Sheets. First things first, we have to create ourselves an account at Google Forms, or just log into your ordinary Google account. Once we do that, we need a help of third-party application for creating this integration. So I've decided to use Automate.io. I will leave the link in the description underneath this video. Once we're in here, we want to go to the integration to top corner of our screen, and then hover over See All Categories option in the bottom left part of this pop-up window. Now we are about to pick the first app that we need to integrate, or we want to integrate, which will be Google Forms. As you can see, it's the fourth option. Now at Forms of Google Forms of integration, we should pick its counterpart, which will be Google Sheets. Like this. Straight away, we are greeted with some popular integrations already pre-made by Automate.io. So if you won't be able to find the one that we are looking for, keep scrolling down so you can get to create your own integration part. Just remember, on the left part of the left side, underneath the triggers, we want to go and start with Google Forms. On the second, on the opposite side, underneath the actions, you should go with Google Sheets. There's way more options. Once you decided which one you want to use, you should click on Try It Now button. You'll get redirected and basically ask to log in or register to your Automate.io account. And yeah, you are a few clicks away from finishing this integration. We can also use Zapier.com, which is very similar app to Automate.io, but it works slightly different. What we want to do, we want to create ourselves an account here and go to the top left corner and click on this black button of Create as App. As a first thing, the first trigger, we want to start and write down Google Forms. The trigger event, we have two options to pick from. Let's go with the first one. And now we have to continue by picking an account we want to choose for this integration. Now we have to set up a trigger. So it's one of those. The one you already have, but I picked this microstone. Worksheet. Continue. And now we can test our trigger. On the second action, as you probably thought, we are going to use Google Sheets. We also need to create an action event, continue, and sign in to Google Sheets. And that's about it. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.